What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Judge J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good morning to each and every one of y'all. Good morning, good morning. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video today. Today y'all, we're here in Houston, Texas for a new particular month of a car show as basically that I've never really been to before. It's a car show that's hosted by Mortar Mornings, that's basically collected by the Auto Club of Houston. You know, they got a Rolls Royce dealership, Bugatti dealership, anything that, you know, they have around here. They got a lot of supercars that are actually going to be at this event as well. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, family, whoever. If y'all want to see more of this kind of content, you know, obviously, you know, guys, you know, there's a lot of cars that are actually going to be here. So y'all stick around and stay tuned. Hopefully we get some sins at the end, see what that's about. And let's just get right into the video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoy it. Here we go. So starting off the first lineup, y'all, we got the McLaren 720S. Very beautiful as we see. It's got the blue, fully exposed carbon fiber hood, gold brown wheels, orange brakes. It's got the orange on the side too on the bottom, as y'all can see. And then we also got the McLaren 570S Spider with the yellow seat belts with the yellow calipers. And then of course, we also got the Wolf Collection, Lamborghini Gallardo, of course. I don't know if this is a Superleggera, but this one is very beautiful in that black. And then we got the McLaren 77, it's actually a 675 LT, my bad. Couldn't even pronounce how to say it, but it's very beautiful with the gray carbon fiber mirrors, got the orange seat belts. And then over there, we got the Bentley rolling up way up here, the Bentayga. That's a beautiful color in that white. Look at that, y'all. Very beautiful in that white color. So we got the beautiful Bugatti Chrion right here as we see. It's got basically the red brakes. Everything that you can see about this Bugatti is absolutely beautiful. And then check this out. Here's a car that I've never seen before. We got the Ferrari Monza that's worth like $2 million right here. Got the carbon fiber in the bottom, everything you can see. And then we got this Ferrari 812 Competition. Very beautiful in that green with the yellow. He's also got carbon fiber all over. That color in that Ferrari is sick, y'all. I've never seen a color like this. Also with the Ferrari Monza, this car right here is sick itself as well. Got the blue seats in there. That green is super beautiful. And then we got this one, the 812 right here, convertible. It's got the blue Italian stripes, red brakes. Very beautiful spec in that color. That color is popping, man. It got the red seats. This color is super nice. And then we got the Rolls Royce right here in silver. That's a very beautiful color on that car, literally. Very beautiful seeing that. So we got a couple cars over here as well as we see in the lineups too. We love to see that as well. Never thought we would see a lot of these come out, but check this out, y'all. We got the boy here, you know, H-Town Lambo that just bought his new purple Plum Crazy SVJ. It's got the red brakes, black rims, anything that you would see. It's got the red J, of course. And then we got the gold Ferrari SF90. That color is super nice in that color, y'all, as we see. And then we also got the Bentley right here. Pretty cool in that black, as y'all can see. And then we also got the Porsche, of course, and this very nice gray color. It's got the yellow brakes, of course, to see it. And then we got the Aston Martin. I believe this is a DB11. I could be wrong if it ain't. But that's a very beautiful car right here. And then we also got the matte green Aston Martin right here. This color is super nice too, man. I really like this color on that Aston Martin. We got the Porsche right here. Very nice red top. Got the red interior, red steering wheel, red everything. And then of course we got this Porsche I've not got to see before. It's like an orange with like, you know, a lot of stuff there with this color. I don't know if this is like a factory paint. And then we got the boy himself, the man himself, Green Goblin, with his Porsche manual transmission GT3 RS, gold wheels and yellow brakes. Very beautiful, y'all. What a lineup, y'all. So we got the Lamborghini Huracan Evo right here in that very nice black color as we see. And And then we got the old Rolls Royce right here as we see as well. Never thought we would see one of these. And then we got this orange Lamborghini Huracan Evo. This orange is popping, y'all. Like, I really love this color orange. Like, you don't really get to see a lot of these in orange, but this one right here is very beautiful in that color. And then we got the Ferrari 458 right here. I believe this is an Altalia right here. He actually did come in pretty good, and it sounded really good when he came in. You love to see that as well. So we got the Ferrari 296 that we've seen one time at Cypress Cars and Coffee before. This is a very nice spec in that baby blue spec. And then we got this Ferrari 488 right here as we see basically right behind the 296. It's also got the stripe, as y'all can see, that's like way to the bottom that goes underneath the particular part of the bumper towards the hood. That's pretty cool seeing that. It's got the white black hood. Well, the stripe, as y'all can see, basically it's got the red calipers. The interior looks pretty nice as well, as y'all can see in that spec. And then we also got the, you know, Porsche right here. This is a wide body Porsche right here as we see. Very nice seeing that in that white, with the white wheels with the red. We got the Ferrari 488 rolling up with a gap cam in the back, I see. Pretty nice seeing that in that red. Very beautiful. We got a couple supercars over there coming. Got the Lamborghini Huracan. It's got a yellow stripe in the front, I see. Pretty cool at seeing that. It's got the yellow brakes as well. Very nice looking Huracan. Got the Bentley rolling up right here, I see. Very nice orange, y'all. That orange is super nice. I don't think I've ever seen an orange Bentley like that in that color before, y'all. It's got the red brakes. And then we got this Porsche 911, number 49, I'm guessing. So we got this Aston Martin V12 Vantage right here in that very nice yellow. It did sounded good when I heard them coming by literally. I can't wait until I hear this thing start up and leave out of here again. For sure enough in that beautiful yellow. We got the Ferrari Portofino rolling up as we see with the yellow brakes, lady driven. We got another Aston Martin V12 Vantage rolling up. He's got the green brakes, I see. We got the Shelby GT500 coming in as I see rolling in. Sounding pretty healthy as well. We got this AMG rolling up in that gold. It looked like a gold if I had to be honest. It's very nice. And way over there, we got the Aston Martin coming in. I believe this is a V12, well, a DB11. That color looks super nice. Lady driven. We got a very nice 570S in that green, y'all. That color looks super nice. Got a Lamborghini STO rolling up in that green spec. That color looks super nice. You love to see that. It's a beautiful color, y'all. Got the Rolls Royce coming in, I see. All black out. And they got this BMW way over there getting rejected. Got the purple Porsche right here rolling up in that purple 911. Got the old one sitting up there. Got a DB11 rolling up in that green. We always been seeing him at Coffee and Cars Houston many times. It's good to see him out again this morning for this. Pretty wild seeing that, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I really like this color. For sure, we all know he might send it on the way out. Got this Audi R8 right here rolling in that black. That black looks so nice, y'all. Look at that. Some matte black. Got a G-Wagon rolling up. We got this beautiful McLaren right here rolling up in that blue, y'all. Very nice. This guy always sends it leaving the meets, y'all. That's a very beautiful 720S, y'all. Very beautiful. Got the orange brakes, orange seat belts. We got this orange Huracan rolling up. That's a very beautiful color in that orange. It's a Technica. We got this Maserati rolling in, I see, with the red brakes. Very nice. So we got this car right here, as I see, literally parked in, you know, the Rolls Royce dealership. Got the Bronco right over here as well. So we got this right here, as we see, literally. Very beautiful seeing that. I love to see that. I hope I don't get demonetized, guys, because the music is playing. Got another Rolls Royce rolling up right here, as I see. Pretty nice, pretty cool. We got the C5 rolling up, chopped in a storm. So we got this Lamborghini Urus right here, as we see. Got the black hood and white and everything. Very nice, y'all. Got the first supercar rolling out, the McLaren 720S. Shelby GT500 and a Mustang. What is he about to do?
on my face. I got big lows on the way. I got bundles of blue honey. I won't take my paint off. Just wanna be free, so tell them please take these links off. My heart shackled down. Kill me if they can. Take my